Mentagasi Chief Executive Member jangka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council uba Winston Tony Lingdo ulawan ra e karai ban persya e ka office memorandum jangka Sarkar Pedeng kabla penmi ka pratrik unai lor hajar arpusan ban pelat ya ka office memorandum jangka Sarkar Pedeng nakajaka jangka KHDC habawan ra e kani ka official resolution nakaliang jong UCM ula puli ya ka hapo ka indor bar ban kerpat ya ka Sarkar Pedeng ban pelat ya ka tega jing perbna ya ki benta jangka KHDC
Whereas the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change Impact Assessment Division has issued an office memorandum F NO IAZ 11013/156/2025 IA 1 dated 8 September 2025, whereby all mining projects of atomic minerals notified in Part B and critical and strategic minerals notified in Part B of the first schedule of Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Amendment Act 2023 shall be exempted from public consultation under sub-clause F of clause 7(b)(I) of EIA notification dated 18/8/2006 to facilitate the early popularization of mining projects with respect to atomic minerals and critical and strategic minerals. And whereas the said memorandum is perceived as an infringement on the old age custom and tradition of the indigenous tribal communities and viewed as an encroachment upon an ancestral homeland to exploit our land and resources without our consent, thereby exposing our people and environment to grave health and ecological hazard. Now, therefore, this House hereby resolves to urge upon the concerned Ministry of the Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Government of India to exclude the application of the aforesaid office memorandum dated 8 September 2025 within the tribal area of the Khasi Hills district.
Habaya day bakani unong yalam kaliang persya oba Tito Starwell Khan uloang bau ai ka jing kersani kani ka rajong ka executive committee habakran uloang bakani ka jing perbena ka Sarkar Pedeng kan keta e ka jat benrio batkum ka jat benrio ka persya e ka jing ti uranium na marka lakhang persya ya ka jing pensengau patba habaya day bakani ka phang bun ki dukhot jong ka yung dorbar klesiam benta ha ka bakil apen pau ya ka jing sengau baka Sarkar Pedeng ka day ban pelat na ki benta jong ka HDC